What's going on, everybody? Adam Snyder here with the Homemade Entrepreneur, and today I want to show you how to make $10 over and over again with absolutely no experience. Now you're probably thinking, what kind of scheme or scam am I going to show you? And this is actually not a scam. This is something that I've been doing and it works extremely well. I've made a lot more than $10, okay? You've probably seen some other videos how I made, $2,000 in just, a few hours through a passive income stream that I created, and I'm going to show you. This is something I haven't talked about, where I get these different ideas and the different courses and stuff that I can actually resell. So that's what I want to show you in today's video. So let's jump into my computer and I'm going to show you right now how you can make $10 over and over again with absolutely no experience. So the thing that I never said, okay, anytime somebody asks me, where do you get courses to resell online? And I've never actually came out and said where I get them. Well, this is one of those places called tradebit.com. You can see it right here, and they sell a lot of courses. Now, you're probably going to be wondering, what exactly am I going to show you? So let me explain it really quick. So what I'm going to explain in today's video, so make sure you watch this entire thing, because I'm going to walk you through step by step how to do it and kind of the websites to do it on. But what I do, okay, one of the things I do is I will buy something called a PLR course. Okay, that means the private label rights to this course that I can resell it. I can sell it 1 time, 10 times, 1,000,000 times if I want to. And that is one of the things I do, is I buy these courses for, some are just a few dollars, some are 20, 50, a few $100s, and I'll buy these courses or ebooks or whatever, and I'll resell them to people. And what I do is I actually, make them a little bit better, do some minor adjustments, and fix some things, and I resell it for, maybe I buy it for $5 and I resell it for 10. And so I keep selling this same ebook over and over again. Okay? And what I'm going to show you in today's video is, number one, where I get it, and that's tradebit.com. Second thing I'm going to show you is kind of how you go about selling this course, where you go and put the links to this course so that you can actually sell it. Okay? So let me show you that. Let me explain it all. But as I walk you through this step by step. Now, the one thing I do ask is, this is something that a lot of people can do. It's pretty much, you buy a little course for $1, $2, $3, whatever it costs, and you follow these simple steps. So the one thing I ask of you guys, okay, go right underneath this video and hit the share button. Share this over on Facebook, because this simple method will actually help your friends, your family make more money. So here's what I want to show you, okay? So I'm going to show you step by step how to do it, okay? So just bear with me for a second. What we're going to do right here is, let's just search for something like weight loss, okay? So I want to search for weight loss simply because I want to find some type of ebook, a course, whatever I can, fix up, repackage and sell. So let's look. This one right here, the Common Sense Weight Loss Package. Let's get rid of that. So the Common Sense Weight Loss Package is $21.77. Okay, you buy it 1 time and then you can resell it as many times as you want to. One thing you need to keep in mind is that some of these, that have the master resale rights, that have, the private label rights, some of these you can, so the master resale rights, what that means is you can then resell this to somebody so that they can resell it, and so on and so forth. But private label rights, you don't give them the ability to buy it to then resell it. So what I suggest is you read, let's say we just click on this, read this entire listing to see if they do restrict you on what you can do with it. Okay, so Common Sense Weight Loss Package, $21.77. You buy it 1 time and you get this whole thing. You can sell it as many times as you want to. Okay, so you'll read this whole thing. It's not a diet, it's common sense approach to living, cool, whatever. Okay, let's say that's the one we're going to sell. Gonna buy it for $22. Okay, there's cheaper ones out there, and there might be better ones. I have no clue. So let's say you buy Slimming Sanctuary course, 5 ebooks, $5. Let's say we're gonna buy that one. What I would recommend, there's a site called Gumroad.com. It costs $10. Okay, $10 to get this. So you can actually go and create a course and put it on their site. The benefit of using Gumroad, you can see right here that you can actually list the product and they will host it for you. They will also be the payment processor. You can see right here, this is their back end dashboard, and you can also send emails to these people to let them know, hey, I have a new course available. It's only $2 if you want it. Go check it out. I'll put a link to it, whatever. And this is the one I started using years ago, and it works extremely well. Okay, so is this the best one? No, it's not, but it works. Okay, so I'd highly recommend using gumroad.com, and just go gumroad.com. I'm not going to put a link to that. Okay, and again, tradebit.com, you can use that as well. But how do you get people to actually go there and buy your course, your private label rights, ebook, or course that you're going to sell for $5, $7, $10? Okay, I'd recommend $7 to $10 because that's kind of the sweet spot, especially for me. Is if I list something between $7 and $10, normally it sells a lot more than I list it for 15 or 20, 25. Okay, so $7 to $10 will be the sweet spot, especially for something like losing weight. You don't want to charge $30 for it because they'd expect it to have a lot of stuff. So $7 to $10 should be your sweet spot. So where do you go to actually get sales? What I'd recommend is go to a site called Quora.com. See it right here. Let's say come here and type in weight loss. So the reason why I do this is, and I type in weight loss, is I want to find a bunch of things that are associated with weight loss. People are talking about weight loss. They want pictures, they want recipes, they want something. Next thing I would do is I'd come down here and I'd click the past week. So the reason I want to know the past week is because I don't want to be, answer 1 of 400. I want to be answer 1 of 1, 1 of 2, 1 of 3, 1 of 10. Okay, you can see right here. Can moringa help with weight loss? Not sure what moringa is, unless maybe that's a pill. I have no. Was oatmeal meant for weight loss or weight gain? What is the difference in recipe for weight loss and weight gain? This isn't something that would work for our weight loss course, so I wouldn't use that one. For weight loss, is whey protein the best or not? You can answer that if you want to. What is the best weight loss medication to help jumpstart weight loss? This would be something that I'd click on. Okay, what is the best weight loss medication? Well, you don't need medication, so I'd come up here, or down here, wherever it is. I'd come down here and I'd answer it. For weight loss, so for weight loss, you don't need any medication. What I suggest is that you get on a decent diet and start exercising. This is what I did, and I also followed the directions, the steps from an online course. This is the course I took. Okay, link here. So that's all you do. And the reason why I do this, and so I'd recommend you put some answers up and you kind of interact and everything. Don't just go and start sharing links and spamming. Actually offer some type of value first and then add your link. Because the person that wrote this and asked this question, or when somebody searches for this exact question on Google and it pops up to Quora.com and this exact question, there might be people in a week, in a month, in 6 months, or even 2 years that come across this exact same thing and land on your Gumroad site and buy the product that you have the PLR rights for, and so you continue to make $7, $5, $10, $2, whatever you want to charge for it every single day. Okay, it's pretty easy. This is why I'm telling you, you can easily make $10 over and over again without any experience. The next thing you can do, Quora works out great, but you gotta do something every single day. I'd recommend at least do 10 answers every single day, probably more. But let's say you don't want to do that. One thing you can do, weight loss ebook. So maybe somebody wants to have an ebook written. Okay, so they come to Fiverr.com. I will deliver a weight loss ebook in 48 hours. Okay, pretty simple. Charge them $5 for it. All you gotta do is create a gig. Create this gig one time or create multiple gigs on, I'll create a weight loss ebook. I will create a stock trading ebook. Let's see if that one's in there. Okay. So the benefit of doing this is having multiple different ebooks on. You got one on fitness, you got one on finances, you got one on real estate, you got one on stress and whatever. Okay. You have all these different ebooks that you purchased the PLR rights for right here. Okay. So I will write your cryptocurrency trading ebook. I'll provide you with a glossary of stock market terms. I'll write a cryptocurrency trading ebook. Yeah. So you get it. All you gotta do is buy this ebook one time. You buy it one time. You put it up on Gumroad, or you put a gig over on Fiverr, and then from there, people will come and they will buy it. So let's say this person has sold 10 copies, 10 reviews, but let's say they've only sold 10 copies. They're selling it at $60. What if they bought this one? What is that? Cryptocurrency, crypto. What if they only bought this for, $10, $20? That's a pretty good markup, right? They sell it for 60 and they only bought it for 10. They make $50 on every single sale. And if they sold it 10 times, I know they probably sold it more than 10 times, but if they did that, how much do you think they're making? Okay. Now this one says, I will write your cryptocurrency trading ebook. I don't think this person actually writes it for $60, but you get the point. I would actually put, I will provide you with a ebook on cryptocurrency or something, and for $10. Pretty simple, right? That's all you have to do. So hopefully you liked this video. If you did, make sure you hit that thumbs up button, and I'll create more videos just like this one. But the reason I wanted to create this video is not to show you that, hey, it's pretty simple. Yes it is, and that's part of the reason why I wanted to shoot this video. But the reason why I wanted to show this video and even publish it is because so many people look at what I do and how I make passive income, and they think it's just not possible. You have to have some type of expertise. You have to be a guru. You have to have a YouTube channel with tens of thousands of subscribers, and that's 100% not true. As you saw in this video, I don't use YouTube at all to promote these different PLR courses. The PLR courses that I'm promoting and selling that are actually PLR courses are stuff that have nothing to do with business, nothing to do with finance, because that is what I do. So what I like to do with PLR courses, I find stuff on stress, on rebuilding a house, on cooking, on catering, on stuff that babysitting and childcare, and stuff that I'm no expert in. Okay. Yes, I understand all these things, and that's how I can create a course or a website or answer questions or put stuff over on Fiverr. What I like to do personally is I actually create a free email, okay, a free gift, so like the beginner's guide to cryptocurrency or something. And people would go get this beginner's guide, and then from that beginner's guide, I would then send them emails for about a week to 10 days explaining, this is what you need to do. You need to get this ebook. You need to get this. It's $7. Go and get it today. And I'd keep pushing that ebook until they buy it. Okay, but how do I get traffic? I actually do paid traffic. So what I explained in this video works, but it does take a little bit. It requires more work on your part. So if you want to make this truly passive, you need to use free traffic methods, but you need to use stuff that doesn't take a lot of your time. What I showed you today, other than Fiverr, would require quite a bit of your time. Okay, Quora is going to require quite a bit of your time. Fiverr, very simple. You set it up once and you just get going. Now, once you start utilizing paid traffic from Facebook, from Bing, from Google, the nice thing is you send traffic to your landing page, to your checkout, your free gift that you can put over on Gumroad for $0. People get it, they download it for free, and then you just send them an email, in a few days or a week or whatever. Okay, that's all you have to do. So if you have any questions on this strategy, let me know. Put your questions down in the comment section below. Like I said, it's easy. It is very easy to do. It just costs a little bit of money. There's a slight investment. The biggest investment here is your time. Okay, but if you have all the time in the world, that really shouldn't matter. This is one way you can start making money and start creating a passive income for yourself. So again, if you enjoyed today's video, make sure you smash that thumbs up button, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys on the next video.